Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in PASTE Virtual Learning System. Dear student, Mrs. Rosia Imran, your mathematics teacher, is here with fourth video lecture. I hope you watched previous lectures. In third video lecture, you studied three different concepts. Here is a review of these concepts. In today's lesson, we will use some of them. So the first concept is disjoint sets. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint set if there is no common elements between them. Means that if you have set A and set B, set A having elements, for example, 1, 2, 3, and set B having elements 4, 5, 6, then set A and B will be disjoint because there is no common element between them. Set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is 4, 5, 6. So both sets having different elements, nothing common. So these sets will be called disjoint sets. The second concept which we study in our previous lesson, that is overlapping sets. Two sets A and B are said to be overlapping set if there is at least one common element between them, but none of them is a subset of each other. Means that if set A having elements 1, 2, 3 and set B having elements 3, 4, 5, then in set A and set B, the element 3 is common in both. So therefore, we say that set A and B are overlapping sets. The one thing which is mentioned here, that none of them is a subset of each other, means that one set all elements should not be present in the second set, because if both set having some elements different and some common, then they are overlapping set. If one set having all elements in the other set, then it will not be overlapping set. The third concept which we study, that is the complement of a set. This concept, inshallah, we will use in our today lecture. So consider a set B whose universal set is U. Then the difference set U minus B, the same U minus B, we can write it like this, U minus B is called the complement of set B, which is denoted by B bar or B power C. These two are the notation for the complement. We can denote the complement with B complement or B power C. This is also called B complement. The complement of a set is, you can say that, similar to the difference of a set. In difference of set, you subtract two sets, and in complement of set, you do subtraction, but you subtract it from the universal set. Now come to the today topic. In today topic, we will find the complement of different set. This is exercise 1.3, question number 1 and question number 2. All parts we done in our previous lesson. Today we are going to start question number 3. In question number 3, you have given the universal set having elements A, B, C up to I, and having X set X having these elements A, C, E, G, and I, and set Y having elements A, E, I, and Z having elements A, G, H. Then what we are going to find in first part, we are going to find X complement. So how can we find X complement? Universal set minus X means that X complement is equal to U minus X. So U minus X, universal set. Here I write all the missing, all the elements which are not given here in the question. The dot dot show that it is continue from A to I. So here I mention all the elements that you can easily understand, that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Up to this, the alphabets are given. And in set X, you have given A, C, E, G, and I. These elements will subtract from the universal set, and the remaining elements will come in X complement. A will be subtracted, B will come in X complement, C will be subtracted, D will come in X complement, E will be subtracted, and G will be subtracted, H will come in the X complement, I will be subtracted. So here you will get the X complement, those elements which are not present in X, which are present in the universal set but not present in X. Now come to the second part. Second part is same just like first part. Y complement, so universal set minus Y, U minus Y. U minus Y, same universal set, we copy from the question, minus and then set Y which is given in the question, we copy it here, and then we do subtraction. From the universal set, these elements A, E, I will be subtracted, and the remaining elements of the universal set will come in Y complement. These are B, C, D, F, G, and H. Now come to the third part. Third part is Z complement. The same process we will repeat for Z complement. From the universal set, we subtract Z. A, B, C up to I, universal set, minus Z is A, G, H, already given in the question. We will subtract it. A, G, and H from the universal set, and the remaining elements B, C, D, E, F, H will subtract, I will come in the Z complement. So B, C, D, E, F, and I will come in Z complement. The fourth part is slightly different because this is the complement of the universal set. Means that the complement method is same. Always you will subtract from the universal set. If you find the complement of any set, you have to subtract it from the universal set. So U complement means that you subtract U from U, means that the universal set from the universal set. So universal set minus universal set. When all the elements will subtract from the first set, so what will be left? Empty set will be left. So this is question number 3, having 4 part. I hope you will understand. Watch this video again and again, then you can easily understand how to find the complement of any set. Now come to question number 4. Slightly it is related to question number 3. Some concept of question number 4 was you already studied it in your previous exercise, exercise 1.2. Question number 4 is you have given the universal set having natural numbers 1 to 20 and set A having odd numbers 1 to 19. These dots show that all the odd numbers continue 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. And B set B is the set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And universal set is the first natural numbers from 1 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. So what we are going to find, it having 4 parts. In first part, having 2 sides in each part, left hand side and right hand side. So we have to solve here left hand side and prove that the left hand side, the answer come from left hand side, it should be equal to right hand side set A. So come to the first part, you have to find the B complement. So B complement is universal set minus B, just like previous question. From the universal set is 1 to 20 natural numbers. And you have to subtract set B, and set B is set of even numbers up to 20. Natural numbers again in the same sequence from 2 to 20 even numbers. So from the natural numbers, if you subtract from 2 to 20 even numbers, so automatically what will be left in the natural set? The natural number set, odd numbers will be left. Look, 1 is not present in this set, so 1 will come in B complement, 2 will be subtracted, 3 will come in the B complement, 4 will be subtracted, 5 will come in B complement, 6 will be subtracted, 7 will come in B complement, 8 will be subtracted, 9 will come in B complement, 10 will be subtracted, 11 will come in B complement, 12 will be subtracted. Similarly, 19 will come in B complement and 20 will be subtracted. You put dot 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 and then 19. So like this, you have to write the B complement. So if you check this B complement answer is equal to set A. So this is equal to A. So hence prove that B complement is equal to A. Now come to the second part. Second part is A complement is equal to B. We have to find A complement. A complement again universal set minus A. So universal set 1 to 20 natural numbers minus 1 to 19 odd numbers will be subtracted. So automatically even numbers will be left in this set if from 1 to 19 odd numbers will subtract, so even numbers will be left. So 2, 4, 6, 20. And these even numbers, if you compare it with set B, so both sets are same. So this set is equal to B. So hence prove that A complement is equal to B. Now come to the third part. In third part, you have given the subtraction of A and B and you get the answer equal to A. So A minus B, you have to write the set A, set of odd numbers minus set of even numbers. You know that odd and even numbers, both type of numbers are different from each other, nothing common. So when you subtract even number from odd, so nothing will be subtracted, the complete set, the first set will come. You know that in subtraction we look at the first set. If any number subtracted from the second, so that will be subtracted and the remaining elements will come in the answer set. So here nothing is subtracted, all odd numbers will come in answer. So if you compare this set with set A, so that is equal to A. So we show that A minus B is equal to A. Now come to the fourth part. Fourth part is same just like part 3, but here you have given B minus A. So you should follow this the order which is given in the question. Here A minus B, so you write first A and then minus sign and then set B. So here you have given B minus A, so you should write set B first and then minus sign and then A. So set B is the set of even numbers minus set of odd numbers. So if you subtract these two sets, so nothing will be subtracted. So the complete set, this even number set will come in the answer. If you check this set, is this answer you compare with set B, both are equal, so that is equal to set B. So hence prove that B minus A is equal to B. So this is fourth part of question number 4. So I hope you understand how to find the complement and how to find the difference of two sets and how to prove the left hand side equal to right hand side. So now come to the next question. Next question is question number 5. In question number 5, you have given if u is equal to set of integers, means that if the universal set is equal to set of integers. So set of integers is what? 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 4 up to so on. Means that all the positive and negative numbers including 0. W is set of whole numbers. Whole numbers started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. What you are going to find the complement of set W. Very easy. If you know that what is set of integers and if you know what is set of whole numbers, then you can easily find the complement of set W. Now come to the solution. Universal set is 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 and plus minus 4. This plus minus sign show that positive 1 and negative 1 both will are present in set of integers. Plus minus 2 plus minus 3 and plus minus 4. What you are going to subtract set W. W is set of whole numbers, and you know that set of whole numbers started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. You can see that set of whole numbers are all positive numbers, all positive integers, including 0. So if we subtract it from the universal set, so means that 0 will be subtracted and all the positive integers will be subtracted. So what will be left in this set? The negative integers will left. So that will be equal to W complement or complement of set of whole numbers. So it will be equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to so on. So means that when you have to find the complement, so remember one thing, in the complement set, there will be no element of the original set. If you check in the original set, you have given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. And in complement set, all the negative numbers. So means that complement is the opposite of the given set. So there will be no common elements between the original set and the complement set. So complement set is subtraction of the universal set minus the given set. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is again same just like question number 5. If you know that what is set of natural numbers and you know that set of prime numbers, then you can easily find the complement of set of P, means that set of prime numbers. You can easily find it. So very easy. Again, in the same way, you have to write P complement is equal to U minus P. P complement universal set minus P. So universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set of natural numbers. You know that started from 1. We already discussed it in previous question. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on we don't know about n. And set of prime numbers. Prime numbers you know that which are divisible by 1 or by itself. Such type of numbers which are divisible by 1 or by itself. Those numbers which fulfill this definition, then it will be prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41. All these are prime numbers. So if you subtract prime numbers from the natural numbers, so what will left? 1 will come in the complement set because it will not be subtracted. 2 will be subtracted. 3 will be subtracted because 2 and 3 is present in this set. 4 will not subtract. It will come in P complement. 5 will be subtracted. Similarly, 6 will not subtract. 6 will come in the P complement. 7 will be subtracted. 8 will not subtract. 9 will not subtract. 10 will not subtract. It will come in P complement. So P complement is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16 and 18 up to so on. So this is the last question of this exercise. I hope you will understand all these four question having two type of concepts. One is the complement and other one is the difference. So Now watch this video again and again. If any confusion, you can ask on WhatsApp. So there is no assignment for today. So try to learn this, uh, try to practice these questions by yourself and make a record on your uh, notebook. No need to share on the WhatsApp because there is no assignment. So the same question, just you copy it on your notebook and practice it. And dear students, when you share on WhatsApp group, if there is any assignment, so on the top of the assignment, write your name, assignment number, and subject. And no need to mix it with the classwork. Thank you, you all. Allah Hafiz.